I'm going again to Pooja now. She's with us from Gundi Estate. Pooja, we wanted to have an update from you, from what you see around there in that area, how the operation's continuing.
Well, at this point of time, the authorities from the local municipal corporation are yet to reach this particular area that I am in, and it's really up to the locals here to wade their way across the water that has been stagnated here since yesterday and find their way around. There are several houses in this area which is quite low-lying, and people in those houses have been, for the past couple of days stuck. What you can see on your screen right now is water that is overflowing from a reservoir, excess water, and the biggest challenge right now, even rains have receded since last evening, is water that is getting stagnated, and that could possibly lead to diseases. As you can see on your screen, water mixed with garbage here and there is beginning to emanate a terrible stench for people who are already stagnated and are unable to make the way around their houses. Now they're just hoping that they will have somebody coming in from the local municipal corporation and rescue them, because they haven't been able to get out of their houses. In fact, water has flooded schools and colleges also in this particular area. Even as there was forecast for heavy rain for the next 3 days, the only silver lining is that since yesterday there has been no rain, but that has just brought some relief, because the next big challenge, as I have been saying, is the water that is being stagnated, that could possibly now start leading to diseases here. Back to you.
Okay, so Pooja, if we were to assess the situation really at the moment, the fact is that all the relief and rescue operations are going on in full swing in several parts of the state. There are still some pockets where the municipal corporation and the other authorities are yet to reach, and people are still stranded in their buildings, in their homes, and waiting for them to be rescued. Apart from that, this stagnated water in several areas, and of course health concerns leading from here on.
Well, absolutely. In fact, when we spoke to a few people here, they said that they haven't received any of the relief packets, food packets that was given in certain other parts of Chennai. Of course, rescue operations have been in full swing yesterday, with the Chief Minister making the announcement that she will be also appealing for help from the centre, even involving army if that is required, because let's remember, the northern part and the southernmost part of Chennai has been terribly hit, and this is not it. Even several other parts of Tamil Nadu have been hit, harrowing people claiming over 71 lives in all of Tamil Nadu, and the worst could not yet be over, with the Met Department predicting heavy rains for the next 3 days.